Hey guys, Josh with SoundTraxx, and today I've got a personal and company announcement to make for all of you. It's been a great honor and a pleasure to serve the great customers of SoundTraxx and the model railroading industry for the last 2.5 years. My family and I have made a decision to move back to the Midwest to be closer to our immediate family. That being said, you're still going to receive the great customer support and service that SoundTraxx has been known for over the last 30 years. For questions, please continue to use the support@soundtraxx.com email, as well as calling our support hotline at area code 970-317-3505. Calls and emails will continue to be answered for you. If there's anyone out there who's interested in applying for the customer support position or any of our other open positions here at SoundTraxx, please visit our website at www.soundtraxx.com, click on the company tab, and follow that into the careers page. Again, it's been an honor and a pleasure to get to know each and every one of you and to help you along the way. Thanks.